All right, guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home with an RV garage. It just came back on the market. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, this is 2720 Empress Court. This one just came back on the market, listed for $590. Has a little RV garage add-on. Sits on a pretty big lot, just over 13,000 square feet. Obviously there's no concrete, but that's an easy fix. All the houses around are nice, no junk. So you can see the property pin right there, a little stake. So that's part of this property. And then the original 3-car garage. Let's go on in and check it out. Finally cooled down a little bit, but it's been pretty hot the last couple weeks. You can see a lot of the plants have got burned. Cool boulders. All right, guys, this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1986, 2,212 square feet. Again, just came back on the market for $590. Kind of cool little setup. Has some wood beams in the ceiling with vaulted ceilings here. Has laminated floors in this little living area. So this opens up into the kitchen. Has a solid surface counters, stainless appliances. Nice little bar shot out the kitchen window. You also have reverse osmosis at your sink. And a pretty good sized dining area. Has a pretty cool one of those beehive type fireplaces. Looks like it's wood burning. Slider out to the backyard pool area. So this keeps going, and you have laundry to your left and garage door access to your right, and then a double door entry into a master suite. Kind of a good size. Looks like that might be one of those ironing boards that we don't see anymore. So this is at the front right of the house. Taller ceilings in here. Has this kind of a cool little jetted tub niche in here. And then it comes into the master bath. Has dual sinks, granite tops. And you have your water closet with its own door. Have your walk-in shower with dual heads, which is a rain head, and your walk-in closet. All right, let's go see what else we can find. So back off the kitchen and entry, you have another side of the house. This is a split floor plan, a couple closets. First room you run into is a guest bath. Has a skylight. So at the end of the hall, to your right at the rear of the house, you have another bedroom with a door out to the backyard pool area. You have it kind of set up like a media room, painted everything like a dark bluish gray. Does have a walk-in closet. So this one's also a junior master suite. Has a bathroom and a shower, step down tile. All right, let's keep on moseying. So across the hall, the next room you hit is another bedroom. And this one also has a walk-in closet. So you have the last guest bedroom at the front of the house. This one also has one of those ironing boards and another walk-in closet. So back off the dining area on the other side of the house, you have your indoor laundry. So you also have this little like bonus room closet set up in here. All right, so you have your original 3-car garage set up, 30 feet deep. Both have 8-foot insulated doors. This one is missing the opener, but it's pre-wired. All right, let's go check out the pool and the RV garage. All right, so you have a really nice backyard pool set up with a huge concrete topped bar. Looks like it has fire features. A couple storage areas, another fire feature, and a sink. It's a very nice bar. Not sure it's nice as mine. And then you have your fiberglass pool, which is a nice one. They put actual waterline tile in it. Also has fiber optic lighting, stamped concrete decking, a nice block wall with privacy fencing. So fiberglass pools are very easy to maintain. They don't need anything except some chlorine. All they need out here is some misters and they're set. All pavers back here, nicely landscaped, some sunshades, little fireplace, and kickback zone. Lots of cool big boulders on this property, which is pretty cool. Little dog area back here, looks like. Gotta have it. So you have a little bit of side access over here. This is where they decided to put their gate for the pool area regulations. You have some artificial turf. So they put all the pool equipment under this little hut thing, which is a good idea to keep it out of the sun. And then you have your RV garage addition, and they set it off the house. So there's this little breezeway right here. And then there's a man door. Looks like they started to finish it with some boards, but you can drywall it. There is a power outlet. I'm not sure if it's 30. There's a breaker box. They did like a wall, a little retaining wall. I'm assuming there's a dump in here somewhere, but they've got power run all the way around. So it's 12 feet high, 10 feet at the door, and about 33 feet deep. And there are stairs back there, so that might eat into it a little bit. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Empress Court. Again, this one just came back on the market for $590. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.